The Delhi High Court on Monday stayed the operation of adverse remarks made against the Central Bureau of Investigation and its investigating officer in the Delhi excise policy case. The order came while the court was hearing the CBI's appeal against a trial court decision that discharged all 23 accused in the case. Justice Swarna Kanta Sharma also directed the trial court to defer proceedings in the connected money laundering case under the Prevention of Money Laundering Act until the High Court hears the matter further. During the hearing, Solicitor General Tushar Mehta argued that the trial court's order effectively amounted to an acquittal without trial. He told the court the agency had collected evidence pointing to an alleged conspiracy involving bribe payments routed through Hawala channels.
The Solicitor General argued this case and vehemently put our point. And after hearing him, the court has issued notice. Court has also stayed any adverse remark against the officers of CBI and the CBI itself. And the court has also noted that there is a ED case going on, and that ED case, if it comes for hearing because of the legal implications, it will be decided only after the outcome of this case.
The appeal challenges a February 27th order by Special Judge Jitendra Singh of the Rouse Avenue Court Complex, who had discharged all accused, including former Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal and former Deputy Chief Minister Manish Sisodia. Meanwhile, Sanjay Singh of the Aam Aadmi Party said the discharge order itself has not been stayed and remains in effect. The High Court has issued notice to the accused and will hear the appeal further in the coming hearings.
देखिए, पहली बात तो ये कि इनको कोई स्टे नहीं मिला, तो ये एक झटका है सीबीआई के लिए। और दूसरी बात ये कि अभी इसकी पूरी डिटेल जो जानकारी है अपने वकीलों से लेके तब आधिकारिक रूप से इस पर हम लोग अपनी बात रखेंगे। मैं आपसे कह रहा हूं कि पूरा एक बार अपने वकीलों से बातचीत करके और तब एक ऑफिशियल स्टेटमेंट आपके सामने रखेंगे। जो जिस काम के लिए गए थे, सबसे बड़ी बात तो यह है कि कोई स्टे नहीं मिला। जो सीबीआई की अदालत का फैसला है वो यथावत है, उस पर कोई स्टे नहीं लगा है।